Assalamualaikum everybody, how are you doing today? Hope that all are hunky-dory. I'm also alive and kicking today. I'm also fantastic by the omnipotent Allah, by the Almighty Allah, by the merciful Allah, by the most merciful Allah, by the well-being Allah. Today, at this moment, I've come outside to enjoy this natural beauty. This is the gift of Allah. This natural beauty is very beautiful, excellent, mesmerizing. Whenever you come these kinds of natural beauty, or whenever you come to enjoy these kinds of natural beauty, you will feel relaxed, calm, amused. So you can see many babies of cows are sucking milk from the mother. I'm watching this natural beauty. So actually I've said that I've come outside to enjoy this natural beauty, and I'm the people of rural village. That's why I like these kinds of beauty. I like rural area, and I was born in the middle of the hills. That's why I like these kinds of village area. And whenever those who wants to speak English like me, you can practice English with the around environment, and you can practice English practically. That's why today I've come in front of camera to say something English, and with a view to speaking, increasing my French level. Thank you everyone. Nice to meet you. Thank you everyone for watching me. Have a nice day.